Logan here, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing video. I'm a big Lanky Box fan, as you can see. Let's get it unboxed. Hi guys, Logan here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the LankyBox Foxy Box. Let's get it unboxed.
Two hours later.
It's a nice box. Let's get it unboxed. There is 6 bags. Let's start opening them. I'm going to start with this one first. Some cool stickers. Let's see what stickers there are. First one's Thick Shark. Next one, Foxy, and the third one, Milky. There's Milky, there's Foxy, and there's Thick Shark. Move on to the next one. Thick Ghosty. I've got Ruby Rocky. A sticky and canny lanyard. Pretty cool. Let's get to the next bag. Thick, sticky and canny. That is pretty nice. And final bag. Golden boxy squishy. So I got this thick ghosty figure, pretty cool. This sticky and canny lanyard that comes with a mini keychain. A thick sticky and canny figure, Ruby Rocky figure. A golden boxy squishy. It's golden and it's pretty satisfying to play with. A Thick Shark sticker, Foxy sticker, and Milky sticker. Please put in the comments below what you want me to unbox next. Bye. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.